What's up, guys? Today I've got a tip. What's up, guys? Today I'm here with my friend Kayla, and she's gonna show us 2 different tips that we can use while training legs that help us engage more of the muscles that we want to and less of what we don't. So today we're gonna work on a goblet squat as well as an RDL. So we're gonna focus on our quad dominant movement as well as our hip dominant movement. And super simple tip. First one, we're gonna do a goblet squat. So Kayla, grab the kettlebell up at her chest like so. She's elevated our heels up. Make sure we can see this over here. She's elevated the heels up slightly, 1 to 2 inches. And if you've got a decline, that works even better. So this is just a mat right here, about an inch mat. Elevate the heels up. Now what this allows us to do, go ahead and start squatting. What this allows us to do is it takes out some of that lack of ankle mobility. So it allows us to get in a deeper range of motion without some impingements, so we can squat sooner with more ease. So if you're a beginner and you're looking to squat, elevating the heels, yep, you can set that down. That's pretty heavy. You can elevate your heels, and that can be a quick, simple fix. But then we also want to work on your ankle mobility. So we're not just stopping there. You work on your ankle mobility and work to get your heels down on the ground. But that's something that we can do right away. Now, going to the hips, a hip dominant movement, we're gonna back up and do the opposite. We're actually gonna put the hamstrings on a deeper stretch by raising the toes up. So here, now we're just doing opposite. Give me skin of your feet here, right there. So now we're gonna slight bend in the knees and then drive our butt back, just like you would in an RDL. Perfect, coming back up. Nice and slow on the way down, coming back up. And already, where do you feel the tension at?
My hamstrings.
Hamstrings a lot more because we've raised those toes up. It's just like if you were to go into a stretch and you pull your toes up for a hamstring stretch, you feel a deeper stretch. So this allows us to engage more muscle fibers in the back of the hip and the hamstring. All right, there's your 2 tips. Apply them right now. Head to some more mobility videos that you see in the videos below, and have a great day.